Hi, what's up guys? Today I am going to show you how to remove annoying Wacom circle when you install the tablet by default onto Windows 10. So whenever you do a long press with your pen tablet, you will receive a circle by default. To remove the circle, we will first head to Control Panel, type in Control Panel on your search box. Over at the control panel, if you are getting a wheel like this, you can actually sort the wheel by large or small icons. Once you have done that, you will be able to see the pen and touch option. Click on the icon to proceed. Inside the pen and touch, select press and hold. Click on settings to adjust the option for press and hold. Make sure that the enable press and hold for right clicking option is disabled. Click OK. Make sure you hit the apply button. So once you have switched back to Photoshop, and when you do a long click with your pen, and you will notice that the annoying circle is removed. If this doesn't remove your circle, there is a second way. Now we will head back to Control Panel. Over at the Control Panel, look for Wacom Tablet Properties. Inside the Property window, look for Mapping. You will have the option to disable Use Window Ink. Do take in mind that this is not recommended and should be used as a last option, as this will reduce the pressure sensitivity of your Wacom pen. We hope that the video has been helpful. Thank you and have a nice day.